Congratulations on your purchase of the Hotronix Auto Open Clam Heat Press. Once you have received your press, carefully cut open the shipping carton. Remove the warranty information and power cord. Lift out the form-fitting styrofoam packing material and set aside. 2 people will be needed to lift the Hotronix Auto Open Clam Heat Press. Lift your press out of the carton and place it on the surface where you plan to operate it. Plug the power cord into the back of your press and the other end into an outlet that is protected by a dedicated 20-amp breaker. Remove the shipping bolt and carefully open your heat press. Turn on your press with the red power switch. The control panel display screen will activate. Now that your Hotronix Auto Open Clam Press is unpacked and set up, you are ready to begin pressing.